I just need to go on makeup. Be my one for it to look bigger, but it don't need to look bigger because if this is the size, I am fine with that. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, you're growing healthily and I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you.
Shinzia, Jimmy Records, go. La la la, wanna send me sweet, like me do trick or treat. We tell him to take a taste, to me a rotten teeth. To me little, to me neat, in a nothing sheet. Talking a brand new Louis V for me trade. King of me love, king of me love. Money me love, cheese and cheddar. King of me love, now what? Say she wanna fuck for you, make her feel like you touch her. That's what you deserve, yeah. But take your time, no darling. You don't have to call it. You bad look like a Riri. You know watch pussy, no beers, and me tell her the truth, or you want me TV. Yeah. Love when you see me so fine. Give me the outside, give me outside. Why every time I fuck you, I can love you like you're a pretty boy. I think you're fine, no darling. You don't have to call it. Come on, let's take it right now, right now, right now, right now, in the morning. Scream, I'm a bad woman, I'm a woman. You know, and I know, I'm a bad woman, I'm a woman. I'm a bad woman, I'm a woman. You know, and I know, I'm a bad woman, I'm a woman. I'm a bad woman, I'm a woman.
Fire. Like when I was in university, like it's like my soul is so evolved that I can become friends with kids, like little children. You know, I would make friends with more mature people and people who like were repeating the class and people who just were in a different energy, who I resonated with, you know, and who resonated with me when I was there at that level. So that resulted in me not really graduating with like a solid friend group, and I was fine with that. I was happy to leave and graduate, and because you know there's a lot of people did not graduate. So once that objective was being fulfilled, I was good. I was cool, you know, and I was happy and grateful and feeling blessed and ready to take on the world and really go for my dream, you know. And really my dream at that time, my dream was New York and conquering New York City and coming, experiencing, meeting people, having a good time, finding myself. I knew intuitively, I knew once I go to New York, I would find myself there. And I went, and New York really showed me, you know, what I can have, who I can be, you know, and it showed me who I am in the making. You understand? I understand why I am the way I am. So I got to find myself in that way. So if you feel yourself being called to go to a certain country, to visit, to stay, to do it. Definitely do it, because it's going to reveal a lot to you, and you're gonna go to new levels of wherever you need to go. So always follow your intuition with those type of things. That's what I do. I live very intuitively. My intuition is always right. Always. Another way I align with God is using my imagination, visualizing every morning, getting grateful, and visualizing what I want to create and being grateful for it. And say, thank you, God. Thank you, God, for... And I say everything I'm thankful for. Thank you for everything in my life. 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 Thank you, God, for this beautiful day. 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 So what I want to start to do is have a mantra for my entire day, or for my entire week, or for my entire month. I rather the month, so for the month of December, my mantra is, I can play and thrive. I can play and thrive. So for the whole month of December, I'm writing it down everywhere, because this is the goal. The goal is to be paid to be yourself. Not just be paid passively. Be paid to be you. Because when you get paid to be you, right, you get fulfilled. You are benefiting humanity. Because you are here for a purpose, for a reason. You are perfectly equipped for that purpose, for that reason. So if you don't give that, you're robbing earth of something it needs. So you have to figure out what that is about you, because you are a genius somewhere you are a genius inside of you. You have to dig for that, and I love digging for that. I enjoy digging for that. I just love it. I love digging for it in me, finding that out. I love digging for that in people, saying, hey, remember you said you like this, or remember you said this, and I'm like, yeah, you could do that. And we just talk up a storm, and get to the bottom of who you are, and what do you have to offer, what do you have to give to this world. What do you have to do? What do you have to do? Who do you have to become? When I say become, you're still yourself. You're just a different version of yourself. You're the version who is living that life. Living that life of service and being paid for that service. Being paid to be you. You. So good. It feels so good to be paid to be yourself. It feels so fucking good. And this is what you want. This is what you're going to have. This is it. If you're looking for something, this is it.
I love the sun, like that one.